Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your graphics card on Windows 10 and Windows 11 in a very simple way. So let's get started. First, go to the Start button and click on it. In the search bar, type Run and open the Run application. Once the Run box opens, type DexDiag and press Enter. Now wait for a few seconds while the DirectX Diagnostic tool loads. When it opens, you will first see the System tab, where general system information is displayed. From here, go to the top and click on the Display tab. In the Display tab, you will see details about your graphics card, such as its name, manufacturer, memory, and other important information. If your laptop or PC has only a built-in graphics card, you will see it here, like Intel graphics. But if you have a dedicated graphics card installed, like NVIDIA, you may see another tab called Display 2. Click on it, and you will see the details of your second graphics card. This way, you can easily check both integrated and dedicated graphics cards on your system, along with their full information. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.